Okay, this is probably only going to be comfortable for about 2 minutes and then I'm going to be crippled. I'm kneeling on my living room floor. Makeup haul. It's been a while. I've just put all the SheGlam stuff in this Makeup Revolution box. Within this order, this is like 2 separate orders because SheGlam has a very good habit of just releasing products constantly. So I done a first order and then they released new products, so I went on and got more stuff within the second order, and since the second order they've released new products. I am receiving one though because I'm not on their PR list, but I think most of their launches with SheGlam, they do reach out to me and they ask me, do you want it? So their lilac powder, they had reached out to me, they asked me if I wanted it. I turned it down, I said no, because I wouldn't use a lilac powder. But the bronzing drops, so they're basically coming out with bronzing drops, so they're on their way. So I'm getting them in PR, so there was no point in me actually buying them on the website. In fact, I don't even think, are they on the website yet? If they are, I'll maybe, like, obviously I'll link everything I have here down below. You can go and have a nosy. But this is one of the items that I definitely... Where's my knife? Oh, there it is. Yeah, as soon as I seen this, instantly add to basket because I know this is definitely a dupe for the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Drops. Get away, shut up. What is this? So this is the Melon Melt Niacinamide Serum Primer. Get away. And this is one reason why I love SheGlam so much, because the products are so affordable but at such high quality in terms of the packaging and the product and the formula and everything. So this is like a frosted glass. Oh, it's a pump. Oopsies. So of course, whenever I'm doing the video tomorrow or the next day, I'm going to be going into like more detail and depth about the actual product and everything. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Soothes, moisturizes, brightens the skin. And then the last thing I needed was a blush palette, but I couldn't not. I'm not the biggest fan of blush palettes or like face palettes in general. I would rather just have like a single blush, a single bronzer, a single highlight. I know face palettes can come in quite handy whenever it comes to traveling and stuff, but I find that with face palettes there's always like 1 or 2 shades or products that I know that I'm not going to use. But I couldn't not with this packaging and the colours in this especially. So this is the Flush Crush Cream Blush Palette. There is 2 shades in this. I obviously got like these orange, like warm terracotta type shades. Cottage Core Garden. And there's obviously like a pink themed one also. Oh. This looks so pretty. So this kind of looks like maybe Louise. These are like definitely the type of shades that I'm going to be using like every day and even in my tutorials and stuff, instead of like the pink ones, you know. And again, packaging, it kind of feels like that soft matte, you know, like NARS packaging. I got 3 shades of these Plain Cupid cream blushes. So I got the shades Affection, Delight and Emotion. Adorable, right? So this is in the shade Emotion. Ooh. Is it a shade I'm going to use every day, all the time? No. But is it different? Yeah, and I think it's quite nice actually. And these I'm pretty sure could be used like on the lips as well, not necessarily just on the cheeks. Delight. So this is more of a pink toned blush. I thought because this palette here is like oranges, peaches, terracotta types of shades, I thought that I would get more pink shades in these wee blushes. It's so pretty. So this one is in the shade Affection. Not my colour, but it's still pretty and I'll definitely use it at some stage. And then I got a couple of complexion products. So got a couple of concealers. I should have opened all this up before I started. So this is actually the concealer that I already have. This is a top up because I absolutely love it. It's the 3-in-1 complexion booster. Oh no, it's not the 3-in-1. Where did I get 3-in-1 from? Was I reading something that said 3-in-1? I don't know. No? Talking shit, talking shit. But no, you will recognize this if you do watch my tutorials. Oh my god, that's just ruined my nail polish. Anyway, this concealer is absolutely fabulous. I will constantly rave about this concealer. It's the one that comes in this type of packaging with the sponge top applicator. You twist to release the product. I get the shade Linen. This is probably one of the nicest full coverage concealers that I actually have in my collection at the minute that is more on the affordable side. It's amazing. And of course I had to get two of the new stick foundations. I love the foundation that comes in the pot, you know, the Skin Balm foundation. So I have pretty high hopes of this. It's the Skin Magnet High Coverage Foundation Stick. I got two shades, one for foundation and then one to cream bronze. So my foundation shade is golden and then caramel to cream bronze. I will open this just to show you how it comes packaged and everything. I have actually already opened it just to kind of see the colours and everything, and they are quite good. But this is what I mean with SheGlam's packaging. It comes with like a wee information leaflet, like the shades and just more information on the foundation itself. It comes in this wee like velvet-ish pouch. Of course that's going to go in the bin, but I can appreciate it. But the packaging itself is absolutely beautiful. It's got a magnetic closure and then that's the shade there. So this is my Effect Tan shade, by the way, so in case you're thinking it's a wee bit dark. And then of course the other shade is just the same, but it's a wee bit darker to cream bronze. So this is the hair removal pen. I seen this and thought, interesting. That might come in real handy, especially for my eyebrows. So where do you see this? It comes with a soothing toner. This is hair removal pen, right? So yeah, this is the hair removal pen and it's filled with wax. And it obviously just comes out here. And you get your wee wax strips. So basically, I was thinking that this is going to be absolutely fab, if it works well, for my brows. To just pump it out, the wax, you know, from the wee applicator. And just boop, 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 do your business and then use the wee wax strips. Job's a good one. If it works, right? And even my moustache, my beard, even my hairy mole might get a go. I thought that this was maybe a wee bit gimmicky, but no, I'm actually really excited about this. And then of course you get like your wee soothing toner, but I think for shits and giggles, will we do a video on it? Why not? Ooh. This is a, oh that's maybe where I was getting 3-in-1 from. So this is the Radiance Ring 3-in-1 Keratin Setting Powder. This is a setting powder that basically has like 3 different shades and then it all kind of combines into one. So it has like a peachy colour. This one is still like a peachy shade, but it has like a pinky undertone. And then you would kind of maybe think that this would be purple, but it's actually like a blue. Like a light baby blue. Let's open it and have a nosy. Comes with a wee powder puff. Yeah, not too sure how well you can see, but obviously it has a wee sticky tab on it, and then all the colours will come out and combine into one. I think that'd be quite interesting. I've never used a powder like this before, and as I say, I know Givenchy has one, right? It's quite popular, isn't it? Gleam Chaser Eyeshadow Topper. This looks absolutely stunning. So I did get the shade Honey Drip. It doesn't look like a loose eyeshadow and it doesn't look like a loose glitter, but it looks just like a foiled pigment. This looks absolutely stunning. Okay, so I've just took the plastic top off. So it obviously just comes through. I would say you'd be able to like just pop your brush in through that wee hole, but then you just kind of close it and that's that. Oh my god, why did I sound like Janice from Friends there? Right. Oh my frig. It just feels like a moussey pigment. It's obviously loose. Oh, focus please. how stunning is that? There was actually quite a few shades in this as well, but this, like the colour of it is just a really nice golden colour. Look how metallic and reflective that is. I got 2 lip liners. I'm intrigued to try these because any lip liner that I have bought in the past from SheGlam, I haven't liked. They've just been quite stiff. The shades and the colours have been beautiful, but the formulation of the lip liner itself, not the best. What shade is this? Sorry, I'll actually swatch it for you. It's in the shade Paradise. Again, the colours were stunning. But yeah, I can feel it's a wee bit dry. It's a really nice colour. It's definitely me, but it just, yeah, that just felt quite dry. And then this next one, this is in the shade So Lucky. Oh, that's nearly creamier. They're very similar in colour actually, only this one, So Lucky, is actually a bit more warmer toned, whereas Paradise, or that first one, is actually more of like a cool tone brown. 2 more blushes. So these are a cream blush, by the way. Oh, mate. Oh, look at my eyes! Look at my face! Oh, can you see the shine? These are definitely far more creamier than I thought and expected. I was expecting these to be, you know, like a moussey matte formula, or like a soft matte formula, but okay. This next one is in the shade Gravity. I think I'm going to prefer this colour here. They're actually quite similar, but they're actually different looking, and they're more different looking in person. So that's that one. Like, you see the way it looks matte, but then once you start to swatch, oh, beautiful. Oh, yes. I would say be able to use these on the lips as well. No, I don't want to swatch that in my hand because I'll have to like rub it somewhere. I'm literally having to rub these swatches on myself. A Jellylicious Hydrating Lip and Blush Tint. So I got the shade Cuckoo. Is that? Oh, this is really heavy. Why is this so heavy? That's really cute, but it's so heavy. So let me see. A Jelly Lip and Blush Tint, did it say? So I have seen these. Whoa, what the hell? What the heck? I have seen these on their Instagram. I just want to take a bite out of this. What is... These are legit for something, aren't they? These are definitely a copycat version of something. These jelly blush things. And I'm not even joking. I seen this girl do a TikTok and she literally just took a chunk out of it. A bite. Intrusive thoughts definitely took over there. It was so funny. Oh, does it smell? No. You're kind of expecting it to smell like, you know, jelly. So let me see. Okay, so I can see that. I'm not too sure how it's coming off on camera, but I can see it. Is it spongy though? Oh, get away. Whenever they said jelly, I didn't mean that they actually meant legit jelly. But that's the colour of it there anyway. Oh my goodness. Oh, these might be quite interesting though. Not too sure how I'd feel if I was just to actually apply this to the skin now. What it would look like. I'd be scared of it actually breaking down my foundation and my base and stuff. I would say maybe if you're doing like a very natural, no makeup look, something like this would be absolutely awesome, because that's completely dried down, melt it into the skin. I think that'd be really, really pretty on your lips and as I say your cheeks and everything, but not too sure how it would be on like full on makeup, you know. And then last product and another primer I'm really looking forward to, Glacier Glow Smoothing Primer. So as far as I'm aware, this is like a pore filling primer. Oh, packaging, stunning. This is going to be the type of primer that You're going to need to actually see this in person and in real life to actually appreciate it and see it properly, but it just looks like a sorbet. Sorbet, depending on how fancy you are. But oh my goodness, I do not know if you can see this or not. In my video, I will be using this and the other primer. I'll maybe do like half and half. But I'm just going to take, oh no, I'll do the other finger actually. But I'm going to take a wee bit of this. This is the strangest stuff. It's just like a matte sorbet. And then you just start to massage it into the skin and it just breaks down into like a water-based consistency. It's the strangest thing, and then it does look and dry down like matte to give like that soothing effect to the skin. It's the strangest thing. It is honestly the strangest thing, and to look at it in the pot is just absolutely incredible. The only way I can describe it is I'm pretty sure Huda Beauty had a primer very similar to this. Even the feel of it on your skin just feels very cooling and hydrating and soothing, yet smoothing on the skin as well. And I'm not too sure how it's going to pore fill. You know the way something feels that hydrating and moisturizing, you're kind of thinking how it's going to pore fill as well, and if it's such a thin consistency, how is it going to pore fill? So we'll see, we'll try it, we'll give it a go. But heck, I didn't buy it to see how good it was going to be with my pores. I just got it because that looks class. Like that looks so nice. I just want to just put that on my skin. I actually have one of the new SheGlam lip plumping things on my lips at the minute. If you did see this makeup look, my previous video, that's what this is. But I will link and list all of these products down below for you guys if you want to go and have a wee nosy. Stay tuned for another full face of SheGlam makeup where I'm going to be trying and testing all of these products. Anything that I don't use, I will of course be using in other makeup tutorials eventually. And yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.